This isn't a professional photo shoot. It's AI. Think this is a $500 photo shoot? Nope. It's 100% AI, and you can do it in minutes. Tired of using that same old selfie from 2018? Professional headshots are expensive, booking shoots, lighting setups, wardrobe changes, it's exhausting and pricey. PhotoGPT AI. Introducing PhotoGPT AI, the game-changing platform that turns regular selfies into stunning professional headshots, fitness photos, glamour shots, and even superhero portraits, all with AI. Just upload a few casual selfies, pick a theme from over 100 plus styles, and boom! The AI creates realistic, studio-quality images tailored to your purpose, be it LinkedIn, Instagram, or your next Marvel cosplay. Real-world use cases. Need a polished headshot for your resume? Want to elevate your fitness brand? Launching a dating profile or upgrading your social media look? PhotoGPT AI has you covered. Unique features. 100 plus image themes. Create your own AI model. Text-to-image generation. Built-in AI human models. Upscaling, real-time prompts, and more. Price and lifetime deal. Here's the best part. You get lifetime access to PhotoGPT AI for just $69. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Normally $87. That's 21% off, forever. Unlike basic photo filters or sketchy AI apps, PhotoGPT AI builds a real model based on you, so your images stay consistent, high quality, and stunning every time. Want pro-quality photos without the studio stress? Click the link in the description and grab your lifetime deal before it's gone. Upgrade your image, literally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want us to review more awesome AI tools like this one. AI is changing how we look and work,